Imagine your body as a bustling city where cells are the citizens, constantly working, growing, and sometimes needing to be replaced. This is where mitosis comes in, the process by which a single cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells. Understanding mitosis is crucial for your GCSE exams, so let's break it down in an exciting and clear way. Mitosis is part of the cell cycle, specifically the phase where the cell divides. It's essential for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. The process ensures that each new cell receives an exact copy of the parent cell's DNA. The key stages of mitosis are Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, and Telophase. Let's dive into each stage. In Prophase, the cell prepares for division. The chromatin, DNA, and protein condenses into visible chromosomes, each consisting of two sister chromatids joined at the centromere. The nuclear membrane starts to disintegrate, and spindle fibers begin to form. For your exams, remember, prophase preparation. An exam question might ask you to describe what happens in prophase, so focus on the condensation of chromatin and the formation of spindle fibers. Next is metaphase, where the chromosomes align in the middle of the cell along the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes. A helpful tip: metaphase, shears middle. In an exam, you might be asked to explain the significance of metaphase. Highlight that chromosomes align at the cell's equator, ensuring each daughter cell will receive one copy of each chromosome. In Anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart by the spindle fibers, moving toward opposite poles of the cell. This ensures that each new cell will have an identical set of chromosomes. Remember, anaphase and apart. If you encounter an exam question about anaphase, describe the separation of chromatids and their movement to opposite ends of the cell. Telophase is the final stage of mitosis. Here, the chromosomes begin to uncoil back into chromatin, and new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes, resulting in two nuclei. The spindle fibers disassemble. Think, telophase, two nuclei. For exams, be ready to describe how the cell is nearly finished dividing and forming two distinct nuclei. After telophase, the cell undergoes cytokinesis, where the cytoplasm divides, forming two separate daughter cells. In animal cells, this involves a cleavage furrow pinching the cell in two, while in plant cells, a cell plate forms to separate the cells. Cytokinesis is sometimes considered part of telophase, but is a distinct final step in creating two cells. Exam questions might ask about the differences in cytokinesis between plant and animal cells, so focus on the formation of the cleavage furrow versus the cell plate. To ensure you ace your GCSEs, remember these key points: the stages of mitosis, what happens in each stage, and the importance of mitosis in growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Practice describing each stage in detail and use diagrams to illustrate the process. For example, a question might be, describe the stages of mitosis and explain the significance of each stage. To answer, detail each phase: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and their key events, ensuring clarity and completeness. By mastering mitosis, you'll have a solid understanding of how cells reproduce and maintain the body's health and function. Keep revising, use diagrams to visualize the process, and you'll be well prepared to tackle any mitosis-related questions in your exams. Happy studying!